Benedetta Caretta, vlog of beautiful mountain and beautiful views, where she every day sit, walk, and spending most of time.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
Now enjoy some pictures of Benedetta Caretta, which is recently uploaded by her. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.
You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off